Welcome back to Jaanuwebs tutorial. In this video we are going to learn about Bootstrap 5. Topic: Why use Bootstrap 5? Easy to use. Anybody with just basic knowledge of HTML and CSS can start using Bootstrap. Responsive features. Bootstrap's responsive CSS adjusts to phones, tablets, and desktops. Mobile-first approach. In Bootstrap, mobile-first styles are part of the core framework. Browser compatibility. Bootstrap 5 is compatible with all modern browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, and Opera. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this information useful, make sure to follow for more Bootstrap 5 tutorial content. Stay tuned for our upcoming video where we will delve deeper into the topic. In the meantime, make sure to follow Jaanuwebs for regular updates. Join our community using the hashtag #SabhoJayega. Thank you.